Hi ladies, welcome to the Scarf Art channel. I'm Jackie, and on this channel it's everything scarves, everything related to scarves. It's summer and we're going to be concentrating on summer scarves and how to wear scarves in the summer. White is really big in the summer, so we'll be focusing on white, different white scarves. Particularly today, we're going to work with a white scarf vest, and I'll show you a couple different ways how to wear the scarf vest. I mean, because the thing is, you want to be cool in summer. You can see I have on a tank, but swimsuits, shorts, all of that. The scarf vest pretty much, will go with all of that. But I have on all white today, and as you see, I have on a tank again, and then this is a white scarf vest. So I'm just going to layer this tank with this white scarf vest and show you a couple of different ways to wear the scarf vest. And this particular scarf vest is a calf length scarf vest, so it does go down, quite a bit to your calf. But you can see it goes very well with this tank that I have on. But I would also wear this with maybe a strapless top or a strapless dress. Would be very attractive as well, with some sandals, with some cool sandals or something like that. But just to give you a couple of ideas in regards to how to tie it and how to wear it with your summer outfits. With the tank that I have on pants today, but if you had on some shorts, either some jean shorts or just some white shorts or some black shorts, that would be nice as well. If they're Bermuda shorts or if they're a little bit shorter than Bermuda shorts, if you're going to, different events and things like that, with some, depending on the event that you're going to, if it's something that's real, I don't want to say formal, but something that's real casual, you can wear some flats. But if something that's a little bit more dressy, you can put on some heels with shorts, with the scarf vest, with a tank. I love wearing my hair up in the summer because it's hot. Who wants their hair on their shoulder, or on their neck? It's hot outside. So everything that you can do to be cool, you want to try and do that. And with the white, that also helps out because it's a very light color as well. But particularly with this scarf vest, you can also wear this with a swimsuit. So say for instance, you're going on vacation and you want to cover up on your vacation with your swimsuit. You can put this on like so, or what you can do if you're really modest and you don't want anybody to see under, or you don't want anybody to see when you're not in the when you're not in the pool, and you want to cover up, you can just tie this. Basically what I'm doing is I'm taking two little pieces on each side, and then I'm just tying it just slightly. You tie it like that, and this really gives you some good coverage. In the event you want to cover everything, while you're out of the pool for the most part, or just sitting at the pool. And then this covers front and back for the most part. Now you can also take this scarf vest, right? And you can, with it tied, just like that, you can take it, create another design, take it to the back, and then you're just going to tie it in back as well, and that gives you another design for the scarf vest, and you just tie it like that. And that's a really cute outfit too. And like I said, you can wear this with shorts or with capris or with a little dress. It would look really nice. You can tie it like that. Then you can also take it, untie this part here, and then what you're going to do is take both ends of the scarf, right, and you're going to go up and you're going to go to each side, making sure this is covered. Then just take it up like that and just tie it in the back. And that's another way you can wear this particular scarf vest. And all I'm doing is just slightly tying it to make sure that it stays secure, so when you're walking around you don't have to worry about it coming apart on you. And to put that on again with some shorts, because it's summer, so we all want to be cool. So with some shorts and with some shades and maybe with a hat, would be really nice as well. And then you can also take it, same thing. Instead of doing that, what you're going to do is take both ends, right, of the scarf vest and just go to the back. Just take it to the back, and then you're just going to tie it behind your neck in a secure tie as well. And you're going to make a shorter vest. So you have wings here. Just take that and just do that. And you've got another outfit. Now you can do this with all white, which is what I prefer in summer. You can do it with black and white, or black with a pop of color. Any of that, would work for the most part. And then, as I said, the main thing you can use this scarf vest for is as a swimsuit cover-up in summer. And you can go to our page and you'll find the scarf vest available there. This particular one is made out of a really light gauze, so it's really lightweight. In fact, you can see through it there for the most part. But you can also take this one last style for you. I would wear this particular style again with some shorts and with a tank like I have on, or with a tube top under it, and then all you do is just tie it like that. And I would wear this maybe with a straw hat with some either flats or heels, with some shades would be really nice when you're on vacation. And you can see this works well for vacation because I've already shown you about 5 different ways to wear this. And just imagine if you take pieces to complement this particular scarf vest. This is a great investment to wear while you're on vacation, because that's light, travel. You don't have to carry a lot of stuff with you. So packing is really easy to pack. All you do is just roll it up and put it in your suitcase, and you're good to go for the most part. But thank you, ladies, for joining me today again on the Scarf Art channel. Please remember to subscribe to our channel. And if you're interested in this particular scarf vest, you can find it at the end of the description in the page. It's on our website, scarf-art.com. And there are other colors that are available as well. Thank you again for joining me today. And again, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Thank you.